Oh, you can't imagine. I'd like to just go down.
Good morning, guys, from Cádiz, Spain. This is absolutely crazy that I'm finally here and I'm filming a week in my life video of basically my experience being here. Right now I'm walking to class. It's 9:19. I'll just try to show you a little bit of my school day and bring you along. I have a cooking class tonight that I'm super excited about. I live super close to the university, which is really nice. It's only a 5-minute walk to school. If you guys didn't know, I'm taking classes here in Spain. I'm studying Spanish at a 3-week intensive course with Centro MundoLengua. If you cannot hear me, there's so many cars right now. Hello, class number 1 is done. I'm with Sophia, my new amiga, my compañera. And then we have another class for 2 hours afterwards, but this is our break time, so we learned all about pain and like doctor stuff, which is kind of interesting for me because going in the medical field, so. I just got out of class and right now I'm walking through the streets to go get some food for lunch. Through the program I have, you can eat lunch at your host family's house and they will cook for you, which is really nice. I've been enjoying exploring the restaurants, so I like to go out. Sorry, I'm getting confused where I'm going, so let me map myself. It's telling me the weirdest way to get here. All the streets are super tall, so it's kind of hard to tell like where you are, but they all come together, so I just have to keep going and then I'll find it. It's easier said than done. That guy. My current mission is to find Zara Home because I really want to see it. Zara Home is under construction right now, which is kind of a bummer. I just found another plaza and I've never been to this plaza. I'm just wandering around and exploring, which is kind of fun. We've arrived to my other favorite plaza. This plaza has the gelato place, which I'm not gonna get today because I've got it for like the past 2 or 3 days. The ice cream here is amazing and I crave it 24/7. The place is beautiful. You can get food here. There's a carousel. Right now I think I'm gonna go to the beach. Okay, so I've decided against the beach because it's kind of warm in the sun right now. Cádiz is surrounded pretty much entirely by water, so the weather here is really nice. So I usually don't get too hot, so that's really nice, but I've been walking around a lot, which I usually do, and I enjoy walking. Currently at the park. This is my favorite park. I forget the name of it, but I'll put it right here. Basically across from the university, and it's really beautiful. Sometimes I feel like people make traveling abroad or studying abroad seem like you always have to be doing something, and honestly it's really not like that. A lot of times I'm just relaxing, enjoying the scenery and just taking it all in rather than having to like go all the time. This is siesta hour anyway, so there's not really a lot of people around because everyone is taking a nap. Tonight we have a cooking class, which I'm really excited about. I've never taken a cooking class before and I've gotten into cooking a lot recently. We're gonna go over to someone's house and we're gonna cook a meal. Not sure what it's gonna be, but I'll bring you guys along for that. Guys, this park is so beautiful. Look how perfect everything is. Right now I'm kind of hungry, like I just want a snack and I'm craving something salty like chips or something, so I'm gonna walk around for a little bit and then see if I can find a store and have a snack before dinner. In Spain, people don't eat dinner until really late at night, like 9 or 10 o'clock, and right now it's 5:30. American me is like ready for dinner. I've been adjusting to the food schedule really well. Like I'm not starving, I just want a snack. I think that's what most people do. I feel like most people get ice cream around this time, and honestly I want to go back to my ice cream place. Okay, I caved and got gelato. I got coffee this time, but last time I tried mint and lime and it was so good. And I'm not kidding, guys, they have the best gelato here. I don't know what I would do without it. It's so amazing. I'm so lost. You think you know where you're going until everything looks the same. And then you realize you're walking in the completely wrong direction, but you just can't tell because all the buildings are tall. But the cooking class was really fun and we learned how to make paella. It was a really great night and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because we're going surfing. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning and I have class again today at 9:30. I usually eat breakfast around 9 o'clock in the morning and then I walk to class and go to school for 4 hours, I think. Today after class I have surfing, so I'm really excited because I haven't gone surfing since I was a sophomore in high school. But I'll just take you guys along another day. I feel like the first part of my day is kind of repetitive, like we just go to class and do the same sort of thing, but then as the day goes on we always have like an afternoon activity. And I had lunch, took a little nap, and got all ready and changed for surfing.
I don't even know the difference from it anymore. And I've been listening to your sounds, but they don't feel me. At least I know that you'll be singing about me when I'm down and you're still.
I'm on my second gelato of the day. This one is, I think it's chocolate with orange. It's really good. It's melting really fast. Well, I never talked to you guys about how our surfing went. We took a surfing class and it was super fun. The teacher was really great. It was a good spot to learn, like there was tons of little waves. Every time I go surfing, I've only done it one other time, but it always reminds me how hard it actually is. I get the concept, the whole like paddling and catching the wave is just something that's very new to me, and I just need someone to talk me through the timing. We've just been hanging out at this beach for a little bit. We're probably gonna find some food. We took a nap on the beach, which was really nice. Yeah, we feel like we got our second wind back. We were super tired earlier. Oh my god, the birds here fly so close. That's basically the update, and yeah, we're gonna go get dinner and then see where the night takes us. Good morning. I honestly have not talked to you guys like all day. Today I've been so tired. I sort of feel like it's because I haven't fully adjusted to the time zone. Just because the whole entire morning part of the day, it's still like nighttime for me at home. So now is like when I get my second wind and I have energy to go do stuff. But right now we're going on an excursion to Santa Maria and we're gonna go explore that, and we have some activities as well.
Beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips.
Aquí están los tres reyes magos.
Irlanda tiene una forma un poco extraña.
Mira, ahí está.
Oh, I'm the one. I always knew that we were different, but I never thought that we'd survive this distance. If I close my eyes and think about all of the times that we spent, now that I found you, I just can't live without.
We're in a winery. This is where they store all the wines, and we just went through a museum about the family, which has like a lot of involvement with the arts.
And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile.
We're ending the night with gelato from our favorite place. We just got back. We had so much fun exploring Santa Maria. Tomorrow is our last day of school for the week, and then we have flamenco classes in the afternoon. I'm gonna eat my ice cream and I'll talk to you guys later.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Last day of school for the week.
Around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the dream.
I just got out of class and I had really good lunch. This afternoon we have an activity. We're learning about flamenco. Yeah, I'm not that good at dancing, so this will be interesting. I'm gonna do another video next weekend that's like a day in my life, and also me talking more about study abroad and my thoughts about it.
Y 1, 2, 3, eso sí, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿Vale?
Sí.
No te vayas tan lejos.
So we just got out of our dance class. It was very, very hard. It was fun and now I appreciate the sport. We just got ice cream and I got a push pop and it's got gummy bears at the bottom. And we've decided now that we're gonna go shopping before our next activity. So I'm finally gonna go to Bershka. Oh, that's so cute. I already found a shirt. Look guys, they have a Boo shirt. That is so cute. We're in Zara now. I got a pair of pants here yesterday. I got these. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw. They're so cute. This is the cutest store, so I'm gonna shop for a bunch of souvenirs, starting with these little graters, which I think are so cute for like little spices. I'm just having the hardest time because I want all of these little glass things, but it'd be so hard to travel with, so I'm struggling. I did find some stuff for my friends. We might have just found the best option for food. We got Indian food. We've had kind of a long night. We went to the flamingo classes, which were honestly really fun. It was super hard, but cool to like appreciate the dancing. We met up with some other students who were studying abroad and it was really great to get to talk to them and catch up and just like hang out with new people. But I'm gonna walk home and take a shower and go to bed early because I'm really tired. Good morning guys. Today is Friday and I'm just running off to a meeting that I have at 10:30. So I'm gonna go do that and then hopefully have kind of a relaxing day. I have plans to go to a tapas bar with my group and then I'm also gonna go to the beach with my friend Sophia. I'm just gonna soak it all in and have a nice day. I'll talk to you guys later. I just got out of my meeting and I'm now going to the main park here and it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go to like a different little section of the park that is also one of my favorites.
To lift you up, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
All of the benches were wet at that little park because they water the flowers every day. I think I'm just gonna go for a little walk. This is my view, which is so surreal. It's stunning. This park runs into the hotel and they have Wi-Fi there and I have the password. So anytime I sit close enough to the hotel, I get on their Wi-Fi and it works out wonderfully. I do have service here. Like one of the things that I was super confused about was like, do I have to pay for a phone or how does that whole situation work? And basically I have Sprint at home and they have an international plan. Like they're partnered with a carrier here. So I can send as many texts as I want. Calling is like a little bit more difficult and complicated and I don't really understand it. And I do have like data, mostly 3G or like the slowest LTE ever. Things will load eventually, but it's not like I can actually scroll through Instagram. There's like no one out here right now and I think it's the funniest thing. It's so beautiful and the temperature is perfect. Like where are all the people? But I guess if you live in a place like this is just like your normal environment. This is the fancy hotel that I'm talking about. From where I sit in my house, the kitchen looks out onto the pool of that hotel. The pool is insane. If you guys are ever coming to Cádiz and you want to stay at a really nice hotel, it's called the Peradores, I think. I'm gonna put the name here because my pronunciation of everything is really, really bad and I know I'm gonna embarrass myself.
It's more than a feeling.
We've made it to La Playa. This is what we've been waiting for. We had like the most fantastic lunch. It was delicious, it was wonderful, we're fueled, and now we're tanning, which I haven't done this like all trip. And I also never tan my back, which is just because it's like uncomfortable to sit on a chair. So this is like the ultimate time to actually tan. You wanna say hi to the fam? Oh my God, okay, that girl doesn't Sophia and I are here tanning. So yeah, we're talking about crimes, like the best podcast for like murder mysteries. It's very interesting. Sophia and I just had the best time. We sat on the beach for hours, just non-stop talking about stuff. It's just so fun to like meet new friends and so cool because she's from New Jersey and I'm from Oregon. And what are the odds we would ever meet in our lifetime? But here we are together. So we had the best time. I'm gonna go shower really quick and then we're gonna meet up with Elisa and her. Yeah, we're gonna go get Italian food. Wait, this is, yeah, vlog eats first, always. It's Saturday morning and I just thought I would come and end the vlog here because I've been filming a lot this week. Today's honestly just gonna be another day at the beach. Literally looks like I'm in Hawaii right now. I've also been getting a lot of questions about what program I'm going on. I'm here with Centro MundoLengua. If you guys want to click the link in the description box and find out more about their study abroad programs, I really encourage you to do so. And yeah, this is kind of like what a week in my life in Spain is like. I have 6 days left here, so I'm probably gonna do another day in my life video, and I'll talk more in depth about study abroad. But thanks for watching. She's a podcast whiz.
And call her daddy.
Yes, but maybe we'll keep it in at the end, just for like a little bonus point.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night